Assalamu alaikum my friends, my name is Mohammed Subhan and today I am going to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 7 without using any software or any other thing. So let's start. First of all go to start and search your snipping tool. After that open it. From here you can choose the type or form in which you want your photo or a screenshot. I will choose rectangular snip and select the area. Now it's come to editing. You can edit this picture. For example, I will use this pen as ticket black. Okay, you can also select a specific area, for example like this, and also make arrows. After that you have to save your photo, then go to file and then save as and save your photo. Choose the place you want to save. I will save on my desktop as capture number 1. Save. Now see, your screenshot has taken. So if you like this video, then like and share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for seeing my video. Until office. Bye.